Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my catch-all planner. So it is my main personal planner outside of work, and it is for the week of November 1st through the 7th. I love when the month begins on the 1st of the week as well. So like the first on a Monday is such a cool start for some reason. Anyhow, thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back and thanks for joining. So today I'm going to be using the rainbow sticker book from Calvin, and I'm going to be using some of those blue beautiful stickers that I'm obsessed with. I absolutely love these. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them down on a page. I'm not sure what it is about that, but it's just, I love it. I just love them. And then look at this. This is from Live Love Posh. Two completely different sticker creators, two completely different sticker books, yet they match so perfectly. Oh my gosh. So that's what I'm going to be using for this week, and kind of combining those two books because I am obsessed with both, like completely. So, and blue is my favorite color, so it just helps that it's such a off fall color, but it's so beautiful at the same time. So I'm going to be doing some combinations. I'm adding some pumpkins. I think that's lovely. And I'm gonna add some beautiful boxes with florals in them. I think that's just so beautiful. And I'm gonna add another one on this side. I think that's gorgeous. And I'm gonna layer them. I love layering stickers sometimes. It's just such a beautiful concept of putting one on top of another and almost like linking them, but it looks so cohesive. So there we go, that's done. Now on this side I will add a huge floral, and that should balance out the other side. What do you guys think? I'm loving it. Okay, I just need a couple more elements, so I'm gonna add this pumpkin cake tower on to Sunday. And then I'm gonna add half of this floral design to here, and then half up there, I think, and I'm gonna peel up that corner and put that underneath, and I think that will look actually really good. Yep, I absolutely love it. I'll add one more thing and we are done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.